An idol, and here let me follow Maimonides. Idolatry for Maimonides is not bowing down or making a sacrifice or performing some action. It's holding a false belief about the most noble of subjects, the deity. And the false belief in particular is the belief that this God is a body or material, or even worse, a human being. Because in those cases, we then are worshiping, we're valuing some material object, some body, or a human being, instead of a being who really is beyond our comprehension, who's nothing like a body, that's not finite, which we cannot grasp, which at most we can gesture to in awe and dazzlement.